Yo guys, we at the mall. I'm at Zara just trying some pants on. I'm trying to find some leather pants, but I can't find any, so I've been trying these on. Yeah, gotta join me on my quest to find some leather pants. Yo, the pants are secured. Thanks to my mom, obviously. Now we're trying to go to H&M. I'm still trying to find some leather pants, not some baggy leather pants, not some tight ones. So we'll see how it goes. Yo, these glasses look fire. I'm gonna cop them. What do you think?
I think those are nice, yeah.
Very beautiful response. Glasses are secured. Sunglasses are secured. I have no idea where I'm going next. We will see where the day takes us. All right, so I just got what would you call this? Looks like a snack or something. Some A&Ws. I got myself a burger, some fries. It's a cheat day, so I'm gonna eat this, and we're going to my homie's house right after. And I'm gonna hang out at his house.
Bro, don't even tell them. Don't even tell them. We'll be back home by like 9.
Nick Shammy at the helm, driving.
I brought it to my parents. Just turn that shit on.
I got into his car, and I got some random ass surprise trip that we're going to Toronto. I have no idea if these guys are capping or not. Alright, we're gonna be taking the GO train there, so we'll see how that goes.
Just leave your phone at Chef.
Yo, boys, we have arrived at Toys R Us. Looking for a gift for Mike. See how this goes. Yo, what you get Mike?
I'm gonna get him this extreme chemistry set for his first chem lab and shit. You know what I mean?
Yo, boys, we at the Shammy crib, and we're playing FIFA. Yo, we got a gift for our buddy Mike. I'm on the duct taping, on the wrapping.
You gotta open it now, like. No, not right now, not right now.
Yo, I walked in. I'll go back.
Yeah, go back.
Bro, why are you vlogging?
Go back.
Alright.
We've arrived at the GO station. We got the boys all over here.
Bringing a suspicious package on board. Go trade stock, go to the tank. Yeah, we are bloated, bitch. Perfect timing, bro. It's just popping right now.
En route to Toronto in the GO train. Yo, we arrived in Toronto. You know, we got the president. Yo, so we've just arrived at the restaurant. What's the restaurant name?
I don't know.
What is it, like Moose Antlers or something? I don't know, but we're at some restaurant. We're at some restaurant. And like...
Hey guys, how's it going?
For you, happy birthday, bro. Thanks, bro. I got you.
Open that shit.
Right? Get this first. You go with that first. This first. Yeah. Let's start the end of this. Hey, this is Shammy's. Oh, sorry. Okay. There you go.
This is actually gonna drip.
Bro, I want you to bring that shit in. That's chemistry. What the fuck? Your first chemistry set.
It's just going down tonight. It's just happening tonight. Holy. Yo. We're going out tonight? We're going out?
They talking about some shorties. That's so weird.
Alright, let's
You guys
go.
are so weird.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos soon. Actually, I think tomorrow we might have a new video. I got some stuff to do for the the song that I got coming out. Can you actually record me, Mr. Cameraman Nicholas Shammy? Like and subscribe.
I gotta keep it real, I gotta hold a feel, I'm gonna catch a feel. You gotta hold a feel.